$3,000 on the line. 3 Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu black belt coaches versus 9 students. 2 brown belts, 2 purple belts, 3 blue belts, and 2 white belts. The students start off with $3,000 to share and face every coach one time for a total of 9 6-minute rounds. For every submission that a coach gets on a student, we get $20 from the students. And for every submission that the students get on us, we give them $200 back. Coaches can win up to $1,000 each, but to do so, they have to get 150 submissions altogether within 9 rounds without getting submitted themselves, which will be tough considering this is a nearly 1-hour Shark Tank with no breaks. And there's also some significant size advantages, including the brown belt beast Alex, who's a physical specimen with the skill to match, and our biggest threat. We even let the students pick their orders so that they can strategize. Can we get the $1,000 each, or will they be able to submit us as fatigue sets in? Let's find out as we get started with round 1. That was some easy money as he sent in 2 white belts and a blue belt first, but quickly the first sign of trouble comes in the form of brown belt Nikki, who is on fire today and looking to make that money.
Go Nikki, faster. Watch that face. Nice. For that leg. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Flatten your feet, flatten your feet.
Nikki is just relentless with her passing, but passing alone won't make her any money, and Darren can get submissions from anywhere with his crafty style. Despite Nikki's valiant effort, Darren is still racking up the 20s. Meanwhile, Joey and I are taking care of business versus 2 blue belts. Joey's submitting a style without buggy choke. It's a tough balance to not go too hard to get submissions and tire ourselves out, especially as the next round features some killers. Nikki is picking up the slack for her team, threatening with a beautiful toe hold. Fortunately for us, she doesn't get it, but now we have Alex, Harry, and Jean-Guy to worry about. 1 brown belt and 2 purples, and the biggest students by far, and it's not off to a great start for Joey. Alex is a beast, and I worry that they're going to put him with me last when I'm dead tired. That's got to be their game plan. I haven't been submitted yet on the channel, but Alex is fully capable after me rolling this long with no breaks. Meanwhile, I'm rolling with Harry, a really strong and skilled purple belt, and I'm just trying to conserve energy for the later rounds. That was a close one, but Joey's out. Safety is only short-lived though, as Alex has been a fully locked-in Darce.
Yeah, he's gonna tap out. You got that.
And just like that, we lose $200, and Joey's back in trouble already. Look at the sheer strength of Alex. Joey's only about 150 pounds compared to Alex's 200 pounds. Meanwhile, Darren and I are working hard, but are having trouble making up for the lost money against these two. And it looks like Joey's in another tough spot again.
50 seconds. See, it's happening. Thinking about it. Thinking about it.
How was your role with Jordan?
Oh, went well. I didn't get submitted, so.
So we lost $400 in 1 round, but there's nothing like money to motivate us, and fortunately we have 2 white belts and a blue belt again. And yes, we've been heel hooking, twistering, body lock squeezing, and calf slicing a 14-year-old, but Owen knows when to tap and is a future prodigy of mine. Nikki is back, and let's see if she can replicate the same amount of success passing on me as she had on Darren. Nikki's also my wife, and there's no way I'm going to let that happen. Lucky for me and unlucky for her, I'm also 50 pounds bigger and submit her over and over and over again. If she were the same size, it'd be a totally different story. I'm trying to get one last submin and make another $20, but Nikki is saved by the bell. But the brown belt beast is back and he's going to work on Darren, which means that I was right. They're setting him up to be my last round. Knowing this won't stop me though. Although I'm getting tired, I've got money to make and I've got work to do on Zhang Gi. Although neither Joey or Darren got submissions for themselves, they didn't get submitted either. And now we're back to making money.
2 minutes, Alex.
There's only one problem though. We're getting very tired very fast.
Get over here. That's it. That's it.
Darren actually just killed me, and he was dead tired. So I don't know. I don't think I stand much chance against Jordan when I come up.
Hey, he's pretty tired.
He's right, I am tired, but not too tired yet. I can still make things happen, but I need to conserve energy. I know the beast is next and do not want to get submitted on YouTube, not today.
Coach.
Meanwhile, Nikki is just killing it, but Joey escapes and proceeds to exact his revenge.
I'm tired.
Okay, last round and I'm dead tired, but Alex is fresh. I need to play safe or it's gonna cost me, just like this video did. And speaking of staying safe and how I paid for the video, I want to say a big thank you to the sponsor of today's video, NordVPN. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, a service that protects your internet connection and privacy online. It creates an encrypted tunnel for your data, protects your online identity by hiding your IP address, and allows you to use public Wi-Fi hotspots safely. I've personally been using NordVPN for a very long time and its speed and reliability have been unparalleled. They allow you to use the internet completely anonymously and with extraordinary speed, so you can protect your jiu-jitsu techniques and other data while browsing the internet on your tablet, laptop, mobile phone, and other devices. And if you sign up today with my link, nordvpn.com/JordanTeaches, or by using my code JordanTeaches at checkout, you can get the NordVPN 2-year plan plus 4 months free with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Again, that's nordvpn.com/JordanTeaches or code JordanTeaches at checkout. Link is in the description. Browse the internet freely and safely. Now back to the video. I'm off to a decent start as I get to where I want to be, top position, but it's short-lived and now I'm on the bottom getting a little smashed. I time this transition though and get my guard back just in time. That was a close one, but I'm still not out of danger and this really sucks. Joey's not having a great time either with Zhang Gi's 100-pound weight advantage. This is just great. I need to jump to the other side to get myself safe from this guillotine, but that doesn't go as planned. I'm almost in mount though until Alex regards. Okay, not much time left. I just need to keep top position and keep my elbows tight as Alex has a really good Kimura.
15 seconds. All you got.
Oh no, I'm mounted, but there's not much time left. I can't let him jack my arm up or I'm screwed. Not today, YouTube.
Feeling?
Tired. Tired. I don't know if I ever want to do that again.
How do you think you did?
These guys are all killers. I mean, I'd love to fight Joey when he's fresh because, I mean, obviously he was super tired, so I'd like to go back at him when he's fresh. I'm sure it'd be very, very different. Jordan, I know it'd be very, very different.
I think I went 1-9, so losing record, but that's still a winning record for me.
I think I did good. I got tapped like probably 11 times, but yeah, it was fun.
It was a great time. I got submitted a bunch, but it's all in good fun. That's what jiu-jitsu is about. Everybody getting together, having a good time.
Good shit. Yeah, that was fun. I look fun.
6.
So students are 200 each, coaches are 400 each.
Nice. So every time a student was yelled, you guys amped it up a gear and made that money back.
I don't think 18-12 will be a split there. That's pretty good. Alright, so let's see, we'll do the students first. Alright, so let's Nikki. There you go on. There you go, Sally.
Very much.
Here you go, Darren, $400.
Guys agreed upon.
Come get it.
Well, I didn't tap you for reason.
All or nothing. Not bad. Far more exhausting than I thought it was going to be. Like round 3, I started to realize I got to start pacing myself because I was starting to get exhausted. It's tough rounds once you get tired. When you get around 7 or 8, start going from black belt to brown belt to purple belt to blue belt skills. That's some really good rolls, a lot of fun, and we're just glad everyone made some money and it was a good time. That was really hard, but it was a lot of fun. Sorry, I'm actually dying.
It was one of those ones where like you feel the arm bending, like, oh, it hurts so bad, but there's not much time. Just like to just turn and hope it wiggles its way out.